We'll guide you through how to fix your PS4 controller not working. If you guys find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get into this.
There will be a mix of fixes for if your controller is lighting up or if it isn't lighting up. The first one being that it might not be charged. What I mean by this, you might have been using it for a long time and not have realized that you haven't charged it in a while and it just ran out of power. To check if that is a problem, just take your controller charger and plug it inside of your controller right here, and then check if that was the problem. Now, for the other method, we will be resetting our controller. We will be hard resetting it, and to do that, you will need a thin, sharp object such as a toothpick, a SIM ejector tool, or for example, a bobby pin. After you have gotten this object, you locate this hole on the back right here, this tiny hole, next to the bolt, and you take your object and you stick it inside of your controller. Then you hold for about 5 to 10 seconds, and after this time has passed, you just release it. This will reset your controller, and by resetting your controller, you will be able to fix most, if not all, of your issues. Now, for the next option, we have the option to check your charging ports, and that charging port over time has accumulated dust and other particles that are impeding your charging process. I would recommend you pick any of the other USB ports on your console and try charging your PS4 controller with them